Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. So let us start from chapter number 1 sets. This is our lecture number 3. We are continuing this topic. So this is the question. U set is given x such that x belongs to natural number. Natural number are those numbers which start from 1 and less than and equal to 5 means 2, 3, 4, 5. All the number lesser than 5 and also we have to take 5. And two more set A and B is given here. A is 135 and B is 235. So our first topic is union. This sign represents union sign. What we have to do in union? In union we have to take all values. For example, our question is we have to find A union B. So how we can ascertain A union B? A union B, first we write A set 135 and B set 235 and we place union sign in between these two brackets. So what we have to do in union? We are taking all values 1, 2, 3 and 5. This is our answer. 1, 2, 3 and 5. We take all the values and 3 is repeated here. So we have to take 3 one time. Intersection. This is our second topic. This sign represents intersection sign. In intersection what we have to take? We have to take common values. A intersection B, if we are going to find out, first of all we write A set 135, B set 235 and intersection sign we place in between these two brackets. So in intersection we are taking only the common values. So common values is 3, 5 in these two brackets. So 3 and 5 is our answer. Now our third topic is complement. A dash is complement, A bar is also represents complement and A to the power C is complement. But most of the time we use this sign. If we have to find A complement, we have to subtract A from universal set. If B complement, B we subtract from universal set. A union B to the whole complement means first of all we find A union B and we subtract A union B from universal set. Whenever we have to take complement of any number or whatever is right here, we have to subtract that value from universal set. For example, A intersection B to the whole complement, we first find A intersection B, then we subtract from universal set. Okay students, now we are going to find A complement. So how we find A complement? We have to subtract A from universal set. So first we write universal set. Universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we are going to subtract A from it. So A is 135. When we subtract 135 from this set, so 1, 3 and 5. When we subtract from this set, so only 2 and 4 is left. So 2 and 4 is our answer. Now for B complement we have to subtract B from universal set. So B is 235 and universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we subtract 2, 3, 5, 2, 3 and 5 from it, so 1 and 4 will left. So 1 and 4 is our answer. Okay students, so we are going to find A union B to the whole complement. This is our question. We have to solve this question in two sequential steps. First of all we are going to find A union B. A is 135 and B is 235 and we have to find union between them. So in union we have to take all the values. So 1, 2, 3 and 5 is our answer of A union B. But in second step we have to find A union B to the whole complement. So we subtract this answer of A union B from universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 5 is our A union B. When we subtract this 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3 and 5, so 4 will left only. So 4 is our answer. Now here in this question A intersection B to the whole complement, also we solve this question in two sequential steps. First we find A intersection B, then we find A intersection B to the whole complement. So for A intersection B we place A bracket and B bracket here and we have to take intersection between them. So we have to take the common values. So 3 and 5 is our answer. And when we subtract this A intersection B, 3 and 5 from the U set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we subtract 3 and 5, so 1 to 4 is left, which is our answer. Okay, students.